Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can change the background color for designs and creative projects on Canva. So let's get right into it. Here on your home feed on Canva, select your content category by clicking on create a design here in the top left corner. Now I'm going to use a presentation for demonstration purposes, so let me go with presentation with an aspect ratio of 16:9. And on the next page, simply add a background to your presentation, for example, to page 1. So there are basically two different ways how you can apply a different color to your presentation background. What you want to do first, guys, the first option would be to head over to the photo section here in the Canva library. Simply scroll down here on the left sidebar and access photos. Now here in the search bar at the top, type in, for example, let's say pink background, and select a pink background photo or image from the Canva library below. For instance, these here without the crown icon, because that is free content or free resources. Paid resources are marked with a crown icon. Next, click on it and adjust its size and position here to the right. So that would be one option, guys. The other option would be to add a square as a background to your image. You can do that by heading over to the elements here on the left sidebar. Let me just remove or delete that background image first. So head over to elements and next select shapes, click on see all here and choose a rectangle like that or a square. You can also use a circle or a triangle, that's totally up to you guys. And what you want to do after that is position it here on your presentation to the right, adjust its size and position so that it covers the entire frame or the entire area, just like that. And simply left click on your rectangle, and after that select your background color by clicking on that icon here at the top and select your preferred color to change it. And that's basically it. As you can see, now I have a pink background like that for my presentation page. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.